Hello, come in, breaker. It's a custom 1x4 repair. Put some RFPs in there, customer sent the pills. 2879. This is a hot little box. RFPs, change the 10 ohms, change the resistor back here. Didn't change the driver, or anything wrong with it. Change the input tune a little bit, the input padding. Still a little padding there so you hold a little bit of deck key. There she is. Let's do a little test review. I'm gonna send all your pills back. You got one completely blown. Look at her straight through SWR. Start with water 0. Back on water input SWR. 5-watt reverse. Water real good. 1,000 watt slug, average power. Water 4,500 average. PP, 1,000 watt slug. Wow, getting on that. It's a hot one. This is a hot one. I don't know if our RFP transistors are doing that or what, but it's doing a little more. 2,500 watt PP. Get on down, get on down, get on down. Hello, Queen. Hello, audio, worldwide, get on down, worldwide, get on down, hello. She's good to go. Just remember your deck key rules. 100 watt max deck key out. And SWR below 1.3. If you deck key too much, run high SWR, you'll have low pills again. There she is, she's fixed up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10-018 Beavis. Catch you later, bye bye.